Hey everyone, and welcome to the very first episode of Paradox Pastries, where I, a mediocre at best baker, attempt to bake pastries. If you know me, you know that I absolutely cannot bake to save my life, so I'm going to be using Betty Crocker's Delight's super easy 3 to 4 ingredient cake mixes. I love red velvet cake, so today I'll be doing that. Let's get started. Alright, first things first, let's talk ingredients. You're going to need 3 eggs, a mixing bowl, something to mix it with, some water, some vegetable oil, some Pam spray or whatever you want to use, and of course, the cake mix and icing. Alright, so if you haven't already, you're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and then you just get started. So I don't know if you're actually supposed to put in the powder first, or the eggs, or the water, or the vegetable oil first, but we're going to put in the powder in first. And I got some all over the table. Lovely. Make sure you get whatever you didn't get on the table into the bowl. Then you're going to do half a cup of vegetable oil. And 3 eggs. Like I said, I'm a less than mediocre baker, so if this is wrong, sorry. Alright, and then you need 1 1/4 cup of water. Once you've got it all in the bowl, mix it around and do your thing. Oh, the instructions do not call for it, but I always like to add a little dash of milk for flavor. Because, you know, I know what I'm doing and I'm allowed to have that opinion. Alright, once everything's mixed, it should be a little thick, but not like super thick. I guess. Moving on. Alright, next we're gonna Pam the pan and put the mix into the thing and put it in the oven. I assume you want to get the bottom and the sides, so make sure you do that. And get the good stuff and pour it right in. Alright, now that it's poured, we're gonna get it, we're gonna put it in the oven, we're gonna wait 30 to 35 minutes, and then we're gonna have a cake. So, let's go. If you're anything like me, you made a huge mess while you were making the cake mix. So at this point, while the cake is cooking, I would suggest cleaning up and getting ready to do what comes next. Alright you guys, it's time for the grand reveal. It's been 32 minutes and it's time to put the oven mitts on and pull out the cake. Oh, she's beautiful. Okay, so I guess when you're baking or doing whatever, you've got to put a toothpick in the middle of it to see if it's actually cooked, and if it's clean, then you're done. But I don't have any toothpicks, so I'm going to use a butter knife. She's clean! Alright, all that's left to do is put the icing on the cake, but before I can do that, it's got to cool down, so I'm going to take the cake out of the container that it's in, put it on a tray that hopefully is big enough to hold it, and let it cool down, and then it's time to ice. Alright guys, the cake has cooled and now I'm going to be adding the cream cheese icing. Cream cheese obviously goes with red velvet, so I've got this thing right here that I'm going to use to put it on, and if that doesn't work, I've got a butter knife just in case. So, here we go. There she is. And with that, we're done. Oh, amazing.